Hello all of you, CA Dipti Chheda here. Welcome to the third video for the booster notes for the labor chapter. Those who know me, hello. Those who don't know me, my name is CA Dipti Chheda and I teach CA and CMA students foundation, inter-taxation and in the final level also taxation. In inter, I teach accounts, costing and FM and taxation. And because I'm teaching left to right these subjects, I can interlink and teach all the concepts super well so that you perform well in the exam. Along with that, you learn it in a logical and practical way so that you perform best in the field, in the market also when you go. And that is what the bridge requires. Your degree plus your logical knowledge will take you ahead. Let us dive into the third part of the labor. The first part we have seen what is the logic behind Halsey and Rowan giving up the incentive scheme and how that incentives are paid. In the second class, we have seen problems related to overtime and the labor cost. Okay, that is the labor cost from the employee's viewpoint, from the employee's viewpoint. Today's class we want to take up right now is labor turnover. What do you mean by labor turnover? Tell me. Labor turnover is some employees are joining, some are leaving. So up to a limit, labor turnover is very healthy side. At the age or some personal issue may be there, the employees will go. Newly recruited, those are freshers or experienced, they will join. Up to a limit, it is healthy sign so that people don't become accustomed, ye kaam to mujhe hi aata hai, mujhe hi karna hai. But too much of labor turnover will disturb the production and other business policies of the company. New employees will waste a lot of time in training. They will waste material and they may not be able to coordinate with the whole team. Many issues are there. Are you feeling it's such a practical and interesting topic? फिर क्यों labor छोड़ के जाना है exam में? Exam में भी marks score करो and when you go into interview and or when you work in the field, there also it's such an important aspect. Yes. So now labor turnover up to a limit, if you want to avoid, you need to have lot of preventive cost. Like you need to arrange, weekend recreation and training programs to coordinate your employees, some games, some relaxation, some resort programs. So then our companies make so that more synergies develop. So you need to have a lot of preventive cost so that replacement cost is less. And if the replacement is high, your HR department cost is high. You need to often keep interviews, you need to give paper ad. So all that cost is high. So somewhere that equilibrium has to come. So what are the reasons of labor turnover? What is the treatment of labor turnover and how to control it with the formulas? Let us check it. I'm sharing the screen. Take your notebook where you're already writing booster notes and continue writing with me, right? I always say, dear students, material, labor and overhead accounts for more than 40 to 45 marks of your paper. Question number 1 में labor आता है plus some theory question plus one more question later. So take proper notes now so that you are very clearly studying it one day before exam. 1 minute. One second. Yes, here we are. These are all the booster notes related to overhead. Overhead ko time hai. I'll teach you that also. Yes. You can subscribe to the channel if you're not so that you can have all these booster notes with you. Right now, we are into labor turnover. Yeah, here I was discussing with all of you. If labor turnover is high, your replacement cost is high. Advertisement in the paper and all and taking interviews. That means your preventive cost is low. That's why people are leaving. If your labor turnover is low, come employees छोड़ के जा रहे हैं, तो replacement cost is also low, but the preventive cost is high. You are giving them too many incentives, library and relaxation room and other facilities, and weekend passes, and lot of other perks and amenities you are giving. So somewhere equilibrium has to come, like this diagram is also there for this. Now, for controlling the labor turnover, we have some formulas, and those formulas are replacement method. Number of the workers replaced means those who went and in the same position someone else came. Divide by average number of employees into 100. Separation method. Separation method is number of workers left. Divide by average. They just left. They are no more working with us. Okay. And flux method. You got what is replacement? How many replacements are there? Divide by average number. So this will give you percentage of replacement, percentage of separation. And flux method is total. Flux में सब आ गया. Number of replacement plus number of those who got discharged and left, and all that, divide by average number of employees. And average number of employees is number of workers at the beginning plus number of workers at the end, divide by 2. There's one more term used. Many times students are confused. I want to explain. Accession. Accession is number of employees replaced plus number of employees newly recruited. Replace होके जो नए आए हैं और additional जो recruit हुए. So once again, replacement में सिर्फ replacement divide by average into 100. Separation is only separation divide by employees into 100. Flux is replacement and separation and discharge and all in the numerator divide. This percentage will give you over the period how your percentages are maintained. Okay? So these are the 3 formulas, and along with this labor turnovers reason and all are there. They are there in the theory notes. If you want to take up all the costing concepts also, download concept classes app from the link below so that you can get the PDFs in the form of the booster notes. Booster notes are yet not uploaded. It will be done soon. But already costing, FM theory questions, income tax amendments, all are already uploaded in the free content. If you have any doubt in this explanation, please feel free to mail us or put a query in the comment section. And if you like it, do share it with your friends. The more people, the more students I'm able to reach through these YouTube conceptual videos, I would be glad, I would be happy. I've done something worthwhile in this time, right? So I hope these 3 formulas are clear to you. Okay, let us talk little. Achha, labor turnover related one problem is also there, cost of the employees and all. Check it, it's there in your study material. Idle time. Normal idle time is time which is wasted, but it is within the agreement. Like I told you, when the worker is working 10 hour, 1 hour, we give him relaxation, half an hour lunch break, and 2 15 minutes tea time break. So normal idle time is 1 hour. So he should work for 9 hours. But if he's working only for 7 hours, material is not there, power cut is there, instructions are not there, 2 more additional hours wasted are called as abnormal idle time. And abnormal hours wasted, this should go into costing P&L. Got it or not? Normal total wages minus the total hours, 10 minus 1. This I explained you in the last video also if you have seen. Yes. So normal idle time, abnormal idle time. Abnormal idle time, when you pay them wages, total wages divided by total as 10 minus normal, whatever you are paying them, effectively it will work for you for 9 hours. Yes, hope you are noting down all these formulas. Not now you tell me, is labor formula buttified or is it magical logic? It's a logic that I will pay you basic wages, but if you save time, I will pay you incentive 50%. Who says this? I'll say. I will pay you incentive actual hours by standard hours. Who says this? Rohan. So like these, it's really logical, provided you write the formula. However good material someone is giving you ready to study, unless you write it in your booster notebook, you will not get a grip of the pen flowing in the 3 hours. So write it, note it. Thank you so much for watching the video till end. Download Concept Classes app and check. The courses are at a very affordable rate. And I hope this is also helping you out. I have taken it as a challenge because there's a different kind of trend coming up. Ki from the time the exams are over till the results, kaun Dipti ma'am kya? Nahi. Learn these base level, pillars दिखते नहीं है, but pillars strong है तो building तो tower बहुत बड़ा बनेगा. So I want to give up all these concepts, as a bonuses in my YouTube, so that you perform best in the exam and come out of that trend, dear students. कि एग्जाम से रिजल्ट तक देखेंगे, फिर रिजल्ट से एग्जाम तक भागेंगे. No, dear students, that is not professional studies. Professional studies is this. If just you have followed these 3 videos of the labor and you've taken notes, you will be able to solve each and every problem. I'm just giving you concepts because after explaining the concept, if I start doing the problem, it will go on for hours, one video. And you students have said, ma'am, we want crisp, clear and small videos. Yesterday, I hope you have seen one more video I have made on 5 points you should remember for minors income. Galti nahi karna hai. 10 points you should know for investment. Investment chapter ko yaad karne ke liye best of 10 points just I have given. So really, this is my goal of giving up the videos every alternate day to connect with you, to give the best so that you are also in touch with your study. And anyone in the class watching this and saying, ma'am, मैंने तो दोनों group लिखे हैं, तो बाकी skills तैयार करो for your next level final, so that final also you clear in the first attempt. Degree and concepts and your practical and logical knowledge will take you way ahead. All the best to all of you. Thank you so much. Signing off now. CA Dipti Chheda. Bye-bye.